Hello and welcome to a special video on eBay Pulse. Now, I'm going to go straight into this video. eBay Pulse is basically a snapshot of current trends and hot picks and cool stuff on eBay. Now, as you can see, I'm logged on the UK version of eBay Pulse, and as you can see, here are all the popular searches at the moment. For eBay Pulse. As you can see at the top, we've got mobile phones. Second place, we've got Xbox 360. We've got iPod on the third, and then we've got a host of other brands from Nintendo Wii to PSP. Now, eBay Pulse, it sort of gives you an indication of the best-selling items on eBay right now and what people are actually searching for. So, for example, during Christmas time, there will be a lot of searches for things like Xbox, PSP, iPhones in particular. Now, okay, let me just click on iPod. Let me just click on this one here. Once you click on a popular search, it will take you to the items that are listed on eBay at the moment. As you can see here, these are all the iPod related items, from earphones to gadgets, to iPod Touch. There's lots of different products related to that. Let's just go back. Okay. Also on eBay, in eBay Pulse, to give you a breakdown of the largest shops that are really doing well at the moment. So as you can see at the top, this guy here, Bangjo from Bookstore. Let's just click on him. He's got a lot of books that he's selling. I'm presuming it's a bookstore or bookshop he's got. He's selling them on eBay. Okay, these are all the books that he's selling. Let me just go back to eBay Pulse. At the bottom of eBay Pulse, you can see the most watched items. Okay, which many people are adding to their shortlist. And as you can see, there's an option at the bottom called See More eBay Pulse Categories. Let me just click on that. And here is the breakdown of all the categories on eBay Pulse that are very popular. So let me just click on DVD, film and TV. Let me just click on DVDs. And as you can see, these are all the popular searches in relation to DVD. This one's very popular at the moment, Star Trek. And you've got Lost. So you've got quite a few other things. Okay, let's go back to categories, and let me just go to different sections. Okay, and we just click on computing. Okay, as you can see, these are the most popular searches in relation to computing. So when you're actually selling something on eBay, eBay Pulse is pretty useful to go on to, and so you can sort of see the keywords people are actually typing right now on eBay. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.